Meaning of goat.
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 Goat. The term goat refers to a mammal of the genus Capra, typically with horns and a beard, that is raised for meat, milk, and wool. It is a versatile domesticated animal that can thrive in a variety of environments. Goat meat is popular in many cultures due to its lean properties and distinct flavor. Furthermore, goat milk is a nutritious alternative to cow's milk and is used to make cheese and other dairy products. Goats also play an important role in many environmental conservation efforts, as they are excellent at controlling invasive plant species.